Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's designed to make yard work a breeze, the SkyBlade Cordless Leaf Blower. We found this product online and have added a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this leaf blower brings to the table. The SkyBlade Cordless Leaf Blower is a powerful tool that boasts a maximum airflow output of 500 CFM and wind speeds of up to 160 miles per hour. With its advanced turbo technology, this blower is engineered to help you tackle leaves, dust, and debris efficiently. The best part? It's cordless, which means you can move around your yard or garage without being tethered to an outlet. One of the standout features of this leaf blower is how easy it is to assemble. You can have it ready to go in just minutes. Simply install one of the nozzles and insert a battery, and you're all set. Speaking of batteries, the SkyBlade comes with two 3000 mAh batteries and a fast charger. This setup provides you with continuous operation for about 30 minutes, with each battery giving you around 15 minutes of power. Plus, the fast charger is impressive, taking only 1.5 to 2 hours to fully recharge, so you won't be left waiting long between uses. When it comes to design, the SkyBlade weighs in at just 5 pounds. This lightweight construction makes it incredibly easy to lift and maneuver, even with just one hand. If you're someone who's older or perhaps a first-time user of cordless tools, you'll appreciate the ergonomic, non-slip grip that ensures comfort during longer tasks. The detachable components also make for straightforward storage and portability, allowing you to take it wherever you need to clean up. Now, let's discuss speed. This leaf blower features a variable speed trigger that lets you adjust the airflow to suit your needs. With 3 speed modes ranging from 90 miles per hour to 130 miles per hour, and a turbo boost option for when you need that extra power, you'll have complete control over your cleaning tasks. Whether you're facing a light dusting or a heavy pile of leaves, this tool adapts to the job at hand effortlessly. So, who is this product suitable for? The SkyBlade Cordless Leaf Blower is perfect for homeowners who want to keep their yards tidy without the hassle of a gas-powered blower. If you have a garden, a deck, or even a garage that collects dust and debris, this tool is a fantastic solution. It's also ideal for those who may be less physically able to handle heavier, bulkier equipment but still want to maintain their outdoor spaces. In practical use, you can easily clear fallen leaves from your lawn in the fall, blow dust and dirt off your porch or patio, and even clean out your garage or workshop. The versatility of this blower means it's not just limited to leaves, it can handle various cleanup tasks with ease. In conclusion, the SkyBlade Cordless Leaf Blower is a powerful, efficient, and user-friendly tool that can make outdoor cleaning much more manageable. With its advanced features, lightweight design, and easy operation, it's a great addition to any homeowner's toolkit. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.